Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Ali Abdul Hamid. Now, today we will discuss about the topic of mitosis. Before starting the process of mitosis, we will take the brief introduction about the mitosis. Walter Fleming was the first scientist who observed that in a dividing cell, the nucleus passes through a series of changing which is known as mitosis. Mitosis process occur in a somatic cell. Mitosis process take place in eukaryotic cell. In prokaryotic cell, the mitosis process does not take place. Instead of this, binary fission process take place. There are the two major events of mitosis. The first event is known as the karokinesis and the second event is known as the cytokinesis. In the karokinesis, the process in which division of nucleus take place. In a cytokinesis, the process in which division of cytoplasm take place. Before starting the karokinesis and cytokinesis, we should remember that firstly, in the case of mitosis, the process of karokinesis take place first after the division of nucleus. When the karokinesis process is completed, then cytokinesis process is started, in which division of cytoplasm take place. There are the four major phases of mitosis. The first one is prophase, second one is known as the metaphase, third one is the telophase, and last one is the anaphase. Now, today we will discuss in detail about prophase of mitosis. Okay, what is the prophase of mitosis? What are the events taking place in the mitosis, or what is the importance of prophase in the process of mitosis? Now, what are the major events that take place in prophase are genetic material in the nucleus is thread-like, which is known as a chromatin. At the start of prophase, when the division is being started, then the chromatin, which is a thread-like structure, convert into a condensed and defined form, which is known as a chromosome. Chromosomes attach with each other through a point which is known as a centromere. Centromere is a point which binds the two chromosomes with each other. Near the centromere, there is a special protein is present which is known as a kinetochore protein. Kinetochore protein is present near the centromere. What is the function of kinetochore protein? Kinetochore protein is responsible for the formation of spindle fiber, which is very important in the division of nucleus. This is a grammatical representation of chromatin material. What is the actually chromatin material? How does it look like inside the nucleus before the starting of division of cell? You can see in the diagram inside the nucleus there is a thread-like structure which is in a random array, which is known as the chromatin material. Now, the second diagram is a chromosome. You can see the condensed material in a defined form which is known as a chromosome. The thread-like structure chromatin at the starting of the prophase convert into a defined and proper shape which is known as a chromosome. The chromosome attach with each other through a point which is known as the centromere. The whole process, the whole event that are taking place in the prophase known as the mitotic apparatus. Two pair of centriole give rise to a centromere. In highly vacuolated plant cell, nucleus migrate into the center before the division of nucleus. These are the most important short question in the topic of prophase of mitosis. First short question is what is mitosis? Second is what are the event of mitosis? Third one, what are the phases of mitosis? Fourth one, what is the difference between the chromatin and chromosome? Fifth one, what is the difference between centromere and kinetochore? Sixth one is what is meant by mitotic apparatus? The answer of these questions are clearly mentioned in the slides. You can take the answer from this. Thank you so much. Jazakallah.